Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Gemini AI on iPhone. So if you want to chat with Google's AI assistant on your iPhone, just follow along. First, open App Store on your iPhone and search for Google Gemini and download the official Gemini app. After that, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Now you'll see a chat screen where you can start typing your questions. You can ask Gemini things like answering questions, writing scripts, summarizing notes, or generating ideas. Next, you can also use voice input by tapping the microphone icon, or even use camera or image input if available on your version. If you want more advanced features like faster responses or deeper AI tools, you may need a Gemini Pro or Google One AI plan depending on your reason. You can also use Gemini for things like studying, planning trips, writing content, or generating images directly inside the app. If you don't see some features, just make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. So that was how to use Google Gemini on iPhone easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.